In this video, let's talk about our Prado wheel spacers safe for off-road. As long as you use quality wheel spacers and install them properly to prevent flexing and loss of clamp force, they are very safe and reliable for off-road. In fact, Prado wheel spacers make no difference as wheel with a negative offset. When the wheel nuts are correctly tightened, they will straighten elastically to keep everything in the right place. If they are torqued properly, they will never come off. According to the mechanical structure of wheels, half-century wheel spacers are better than lug-century ones. Besides, half-century wheel spacers allow the wheels to support the vehicle's weight and fill the gap for a more tightly fit, reducing vibration. If you are looking to upgrade the wheels with full Prado wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Prado wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and offer more than 66 SGSTV test report. All BONOSS Prado wheel spacer package come commonly with all necessary hardware, including new ISO grade 10 wheel nuts, ISO grade 1209 wheel stud to fit your car. All BONOSS Prado wheel spacers are forged. In addition, high-precision Prado wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience. BONOSS off-road wheel spacers are made of the highest quality forged 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum. Both forged aluminum 6061T6 and 7075T6 feature good hardness and toughness, excellent corrosion resistance, and wear-resistant characteristics. Even facing impact, they are not easy to break. The continuously forging adds superior mechanical and physical properties created by heat and pressure. They are high strength for safety and security, and are very suitable for long-term applications. If you want to get the BONOSS Prado wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.